Okay, welcome back again. Everybody might be looking, hey man, you had that already sewed up. Well, what had happened is, so we were adjusting the glass, and unfortunately, I thought it was something wrong with the track. Like I thought the track went in there too far. So what I did is I took everything back out. Like you can move it. It's hard to move, of course, because it's got those wires in it. But I was wondering and worried about the whole fact. Hold on one second. Let me clean my camera up here so y'all can see better. I was worried about the track. What it had happened is the track moved back, and I thought it was pinched, but it wouldn't move. So I took the motor back down and moved this by hand because, like I said, I was worried that maybe the track didn't got pinched back. There's little welds, not welds, but little indentions you'll see right there that keep the track from coming back and hitting the stuff in the back and making everything fall out. So I thought maybe it moved back too far and jumped that. That wasn't the problem. The big problem is this guy here. So we got the car on, and I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm pressing the button. No worky right there. I turn it to where it opens. Come on. Yeah, where it opens like that works. Tilt feature don't work. Closing don't work. So I called my guys up at the parts store, and they say they don't sell this piece anymore. It's discontinued. Imagine that. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to unclip that wire, take this apart, take this rubber piece apart, and look at the contacts and see if I can't get it fixed, repaired myself, or maybe there's some dust or something just not making the contact. Maybe I can bend the contacts, make it work, because it was working before. Like I said, y'all seen it. So whatever happened just happened. You know, you do a job like this and you just never know if things are going to stay together or not. That's why, you know, like I said, that's why I didn't put everything back together. I said, you know, let me test it. Let me make sure that let me do the sunroof 4 or 5 times, because man, I'll tell you what, this would be a very pain. It's already a pain job already. Especially when you put the headliner up in there, everything's got to go around all these little moldings and stuff. So anyways, I'll come back with you guys again. Stay with me. I swear it's going to end someday. But we're going to take that switch out. You know, we're going to try to find that switch first. I don't really want to go to a junkyard to find one, because if it's a switch that doesn't work, you've done all this work and like for what? Just to waste time going back and forth. So I'm going to try to find a new one, and if I can't find a new one, I'm going to take that apart, see if I can repair it, and see if I can get this motor. The motor looks pretty reasonable, pretty good. You see it's got plenty of teeth on it, ain't nothing missing. Like I said, it's a flip car, but I like to try to do it right, you know, just in case we decide to keep it, or you know, it doesn't sell and we keep it. So we'll turn the key off, and we're going to go check this out. We'll catch y'all in a little bit. Thanks.